Hello and good evening everyone. In today's video we are going to look at very important, I think I should say extremely important function, that is mod function. So slowly we will discuss mod function. Let me start with normal function, that is x. You already know what is x. Y equals to x is a straight line passing through the origin. You can see the graph, a red line, beautiful line passing through the origin. And I'm sure you already know what is the slope of the line, that is 1. Slope of the line is 1. Now our interest is mod function. So if you look at this GeoGebra, everything is there. Okay, this is our mod function. This is our mod function. You can use directly. You can if you will click, you will get the function here. Write x and then enter. So look at here, everyone. This V-shaped graph is your mod graph. How you will get this graph? It's very easy. Modulus. Purpose of modulus is to make everything positive. Okay, so definitely what will happen, output of the modulus function is going to be positive all the time. Output always will be positive. That means gx always will be positive, or it can be 0 also. So always you have to remember, everyone, first draw normal function, then draw the mod of that function. If somebody will ask you, let me give you similar example, what will be the graph of sine of mod x? Okay, we will talk about that graph. So first of all, what you will do, you will always draw sin x, because sin x you already know. In the same way, if somebody will ask you what is mod of cos x, so always what you have to do, you have to draw cos x. First of all, draw cos x, then move to the mod of cos x. If somebody will ask you what is mod of x plus 1, always draw x plus 1. Okay, in this case you can draw directly also. I will tell you the trick also. Okay, it's not very difficult, but I think it's better always to draw x plus 1. You already know what is x plus 1. A y equals to x plus 1 is nothing but a line again. Okay, so it's not very difficult. Now coming to the core concept, how to draw. So let me go to the tools. Let me take pen over here. Where is the pen? Yeah, I think it is here. It's a pen. So everyone, it's very simple. Look at here. This is our negative part. Negative part means below the x-axis is nothing but negative part. That means if I will tell you what is the value of the function at this point at minus 6, which is nothing but minus 6. Look at it. This height is nothing but minus 6. So what is the modulus of minus 6? It is nothing but 6. That means this point is getting mapped here. Okay, this point is getting mapped here. So minus 6 becomes 6. In the same way, minus 4, this minus 4 is getting mapped here. Okay, so ultimately what is happening, minus 2 will be getting mapped here, and if you will join everything, you will get this kind of graph. Sorry for my handwriting is very bad. Right now I am using this tab, sorry, I am using my keypad, that's why, keypad and mouse and all, that's why my handwriting is very bad. But very soon I am going to use this pen and all, so don't worry. But I hope the understanding is very clear. So ultimately what is happening, everyone, negative part is becoming positive. There is no change in the positive part, just negative part is becoming positive. And for that, what you can do, you just take the mirror image. Okay, you just take the mirror image of the negative part with respect to the x-axis. This is your mirror. Okay, and the mirror image of this one is going to be this one, and that's all. You will get the graph. So let's look at the similar kind of function, whether we are able to apply the same technique or whether we will get the similar kind of graph or not. So let's move to the simple function, not x. So let me move to x plus 1. X plus 1 is again very simple. Slope is again 1, intercept is 1, which is again you already know. So what our interest is mod of x plus 1. Look at here everyone, only the negative part is becoming positive. This is your negative part. Okay, this is your negative part. So negative part is becoming positive, and for drawing this graph, again take the mirror image with respect to x-axis. So if you want to do the experiment, you can do a lot of experiments. Let me change it to 2. Again you can make it 2. Okay, look at here everyone, very simple, very simple. If I will make it 3, graph is going to shift again a little bit left hand side. Let me make it 3, graph gets shifted. So ultimately what is happening everyone, from x to x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. This is also a very important idea, how to quickly draw the graph. X is passing through origin, x plus 1, shift the graph in the left hand side, okay, by 1 unit, x plus 2 by 2 unit left hand side. Okay, so sir, it is left hand side means when we are adding, the graph is shifted left hand side. So when we will do the subtraction, most probably it should go in the right hand side, correct? So let me check. Yes, it is moving into the right hand side. So again you can apply the mod function here. X minus 1, negative part is becoming positive. Look at here, this black is your mod function and red is basically x minus 1 graph or x minus 1 line. So mod function is very important. And another thing, if you look at carefully, every time the graph is coming V-shaped. So you can remember, mod inside linear function always will be a V-shaped graph. Linear means, let me write it down, ax plus b kind of thing, always will be V-shaped. You can do your experiment by yourself using this tool. It's a beautiful tool everyone. It is very important that you should know how to use this tool, but you should not always use. Now before using this tool, you just draw by yourself first, then use this tool and check whether your graph is wrong or correct. Okay, so let me write 2x plus 2. Look at here, again it is a V-shaped green. We are talking about green graph right now. Okay, so in the same way everyone, modulus, I am sure the idea is clear. Take the mirror image of the negative part of the function. What is negative part? Below the x-axis is the negative part. Below the x-axis is the negative part. There is no change in the positive part. So I hope the mod of x is clear. Slowly what we will do, we will move to the complicated functions, and we will move to the functions which is required for JEE Mains. Let me move to sin x little bit. Sin x you already know, it's a sinusoid between -1 to 1. You already know about it. If you have not seen my last video, you can see. Now again we will try to apply mod of sin. What I said in the last just few minutes ago, take the mirror image of the negative part. So everyone, if you look at carefully, okay, mirror image, look at here, blue, and in the above it's a red line. So exactly it's a mirror image with respect to x-axis. So this is how easily you can draw the graph. It's a nice beautiful graph. What is the maximum value? This is also a very important question everyone. Maximum value is still 1. What is the minimum value? Not -1. Here the minimum value is 0. Okay, here the minimum value is 0. Minimum value of any mod function is 0 always. You have to keep in mind. What is the minimum value of mod of x? Always 0. Look at here everyone. So sin x and mod of sin x I have clear. You can do the experiment with cos also. This is my cos. Again, what will happen everyone when we will do the mod of x? Mirror image of the negative part. So wherever there is a positive part, there is no change. Negative part, there is a mirror image, and you will get, so you will get this again black graph. Okay, black is basically for mod of cos x, and blue is basically your cos x. So I think you got little bit idea, and I'm sure you can use this calculator You can download again and again. I'm telling you, you can download in your phone also, so that anytime when you will be free, you can play with this tool. It's a very interesting tool. Okay, lot of other functions are there, everyone. You can see direct available functions, sine, cos, log, e, everything is there. You can type also, and greatest integer is also there, everyone. Let me write it down. Greatest integer, look at here, steps. So we will discuss this graph later on. Slowly we will move. Okay, now for today's video, I think this is the end. If you want to know, if you want some discussion about some graph, you can write on the comment, but slowly we will move ahead and we will cover everything. Thank you everyone, thank you watching this video. We will see in the next video, and that is going to be my video number 3 in the series of play with graph. Thank you so much once again, everyone.